Okay, this is a video about the hot water tank, this thingy. Up top is the valve to control water. And this is the two little pilot flames. They should stay on after a minute, but they keep going out. To start it, you press down on the top, turn it, and then light the little blue flame by hand, and hopefully it stays on after a minute of depression, and then you adjust this for the heating level. And the two doors, the small door goes on the inside, so it slides inside, and the white door goes on the outside. That's the house furnace to heat the air, but really electrical heat's good enough. Ugh.